Hello friends, welcome everybody. Let's do some of the examples for the derivations. So we have one example. Let's say y is equal to 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7. So by applying all the rules that we studied, we can do then find the derivation, that is dy by dx. So in this case what we do is we first apply the rule. Let's go for adding addition rule we can apply. So we can just simply say d by dx. So dx means your d by dt, d by dx is equal to d by dt, where we write here 5x cube plus d by dt, d by dt, yes, 4x square plus 4x square plus d by dt 7. I think we applied the addition rule here, and then let's go with simplifying this. 5, we bring this 5 front by giving a constant rule, a multiple constant rule. This one should be front, into we bring this power rule. As per power rule we bring this as down, so we write 3, then x to the power of 3 minus 1. So that's what applying power rule here. And then plus same thing here, we bring multiple rule, constant multiple rule, that is 4 front, and then we write the power rule. Power rule we know here, we bring this 2 down, into 2, no, x to the power of 2 minus 1. Again the last one, we know there is a constant rule which says it's 0 if there is no variable here. So that's what it is. Now if we simplify this, we get 15x to the power of 2 plus 8x to the power of 1, which is nothing but 15x to the power of 2 plus 8x. So that's it. So it's very simple, my friends. We were able to solve very easily. So by just applying few of the rules of here, derivation rules, that's why it's very important to learn the derivation rules to solve this. So let's try the other one, my friends. Let's try the other one. So we can go for some of such examples. It's very easy. So suppose if we have a small very simple one, d by, let's say d by dt, let's say 5x to the power of 7. So what we are doing with this, so you know the rules, we can just bring this 5 front, that is 5, then we can multiply, we can bring this down 7, then power rule apply, x to the power of 7 minus 1, so that becomes 5 into 7 to the power of 6, sorry, x to the power of 6, so we get 35 x to the power of 6. So our answer will be 35 to the power of 6. So it's very simple. Let's go with another one example. So we can do many examples like that. They are the very simple examples. 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 7. Let's do this. It's very easy. Again we apply the minus rule here and then plus rule here. I mean this addition and subtraction rule. So we can write d by dx, 3x to the power of 2. Then we go for minus rule, subtraction, that is here dx, then 5x. So you can write, then we can go for the last one, d by dx to the power of 7. So we know this, that's here this comes down, 3 into 2 x to the power of 1 minus here 5 goes front into 1 because its power is 1 now, so plus here is 0, so we get 6x minus 5. So we get 6x minus 5. I'm sorry, I went little down. I hope you understood how to apply these rules that we just now studied. Thank you. Keep supporting my friends. I will be uploading the videos like this. Thank you.